directed by the Congress to be confined there and maybe think about her actuations while he's being asked by Congress to tell the truth and of course not to lie to the committee.
Sir, isa din po kasi sa, bukod po sa Congress, siya po ay may hinaharap din po mga reklamo po dito sa DOJ. Pag kailangan po siya sa PI, may subpoena siya, sinerve sa kanya the other day yun, dadalhin niya na lang dito, ganun po ba?
Yes. I already conferred also with our secretary. I informed him na Cassandra Ong is now committed sa CIW and we're just awaiting cases to be filed. Just in case na ma-filing po case and then there's a ruling that he be confined to whatever jail, we will just comply and inform the Congress that she too will be have to put into a DJMP jail, whatever.
Thank you, sir.
Staying inside a room na siya lang mag-isa.
Pero sir, pwede talaga yung phone?
Yeah. Kasi hindi pa naman siya convicted talaga. So,
pero sir, wala pa.
For his liberty, yung can po.
Wala pa siya doon or nandun na siya?
Ando na. Kahapon na he was brought by the Sergeant at Arms. Well, they turn over, chinektaran yung kanyang physical and health.
So sir, parang nag-booking din siya, nag-medical check?
Oo, nag-medical check up naman siya. She's good.
Sir, to be clear lang, anong tawag dun sa detention niya sa inyo? Temporary detention? Paano po?
Meron naman kaming manual that allows it, but he cannot be put together with the convicted people kasi naman hindi pa naman siya rin convicted. So as a commitment order ng Congress, we are just following the orders of Congress, but we cannot allow him to mingle with those convicted people already because it might endanger her security and safety.
Anong mangyayari, sir? Hiwalay siya?
Is confined there for 1 month ata eh. So that you can think about things na gusto makausap siya na maigi ng Congress so that he can contempt kasi, di ba? He was charged of lying, answering the question of the congressman.
Anong sir condition niya doon? Ano yung magiging kumbaga lugar niya?
He's confined in a room with his comfort room and he's allowed to be visited by her lawyers. Also, we allowed him to have a cell phone so that he can confer with her lawyers.
Mag-isa lang siya doon?